Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. Today I'm going to tell you about this lovely 2017 Infiniti QX30 Premium all-wheel drive that we have for sale. One owner clean Carfax vehicle we just acquired off lease. We have the original build sheet on this one. This one is very nicely equipped with features. Actually, it's pretty close to as loaded as you can get for 2017. We have the technology package. That was a $2,200 option, giving you blind spot warning, lane departure warning, forward emergency braking, intelligent cruise control, intelligent park assist, high beam assist, and a round view monitor with moving object detection. And then we have the navigation package. That was an $1,850 option. Then we have the LED package. That was a $1,000 option, giving you LED headlamps, an adaptive front lighting system so the lights will actually steer into the corners so you can see a little bit better on those darkly lit curvy roads. And we have enhanced LED interior ambient lighting. So a total MSRP of $44,490 when it was brand new. This one now is available for sale as a certified pre-owned Infiniti. With Infiniti's pre-owned certification, you get a lot of great benefits. Pretty much all the benefits you normally get if you bought a brand new Infiniti. This one features a 6-year unlimited mileage warranty that covers a little over 1,400 components. That certified warranty is good at any Infiniti dealership in the United States. Your first year of basic maintenance is also complimentary. You get Infiniti service loaner vehicles for extended service days. You also have available low rate financing. And then there's also trip interruption benefits too, if your vehicle does break down when you're on a road trip or a certain distance away from your home. Really nice color combination, black on black. This is an all-wheel drive model. The all-wheel drive QX30 has a little bit more SUV, crossover SUV styling elements, where the front-wheel drive one has more car-like design elements. You have about an inch higher ride height with the all-wheel drive model for better ground clearance. You have a unique alloy wheel design for the all-wheel drive models, and tires are a little bit more better for all types of conditions versus just on-road. Obviously, you're not going to go rock crawling in this thing like a Jeep, but it can handle some light off-roading, mainly, you know, beat up dirt or gravel roads. The heart of the QX30 is a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. Makes about 208 horsepower, 250 pound-feet of torque, and that is matched to a dual clutch 7-speed automatic transmission. Notice this also has a chip guard clear bra, which will keep the front end nice and free of stone and rock chips. The 7-speed dual clutch transmission is the only transmission of its kind that you can get on an Infiniti product. It has 2 clutches, one for the even gears, one for the odd gears, so it can pre-select the next gear for very smooth and seamless gear changes. So that transmission gives you awesome performance and fuel efficiency. It's a fully automatic transmission, even though it has clutches. It's all handled by the car's computer system. But if you do want to take control of the gear changes, you do have steering wheel paddle shifters. We have a cargo area cover, original mats. You can fold down those second row seats, or you have a little cargo pass-through as well. Maybe to put your skis in. This one has been serviced and checked by our Infiniti techs, and of course it went through an extensive certification inspection as well. Who better to buy a pre-owned Infiniti from than a new Infiniti store like us? We work on these vehicles on a daily basis and are very familiar with them. Thank you so much for taking the time today to watch this video. Hopefully we see you in our store very soon, and have a wonderful day.